At number 6, organs grown in a lab from your own cells. Someone dies waiting for a transplant every few hours. A donor organ has to match. Most people never get one. Take the patient's own cells. Grow them onto a scaffold. Feed it in a tank until the tissue is alive and working. Any cell too far from a blood vessel simply dies. Lab-grown cells have already freed diabetics from insulin injections. No waiting list, no rejection, no pills for life. Skin, cartilage and blood vessels are already inside patients. The blocker is blood supply. Thick organs still starve inside. At number 5, a star in a box. Compact fusion. Every power station on Earth burns something or splits atoms. One leaves carbon. The other leaves waste lasting thousands of years. Fusion joins atoms instead. Same reaction that powers the sun. Magnets hold the fuel at 100 million degrees, touching nothing. For 70 years, it was always 30 years away. New magnets shrank the machine from stadium size to industrial unit. Fuel from seawater. No carbon, no meltdown, no long-lived waste. Microsoft has already signed to buy fusion power from 2028. The blocker is the grid. Connection approval takes 4 to 6 years. At number 4, resetting cells to a younger state. Age reversal. Heart disease, dementia, blindness. Aging sits behind nearly all of them. Everything works. Then slowly it doesn't. Nobody could stop that. Add 3 ingredients to an old cell. It behaves young again. In animals, blind eyes started seeing. 1 injection. Aging was considered one way. Nothing in biology ran backwards. In January, the FDA cleared the first human trial. It targets blindness first. Restoring sight, people had already lost. If it works elsewhere, old tissue could be repaired rather than replaced. Push too far and cells turn cancerous. Safety data arrives next year.
Subscribe to Novatech. Across space, science, and technology, we don't just imagine it, we show it.